Let's use the same working file, cut, copy and paste. Now we're going to look at drag and drop. We saw before that we could cut, move across to where we want to go, press enter, and it would effectively cut and then paste. Now we can do that a lot quicker with our mouse by selecting a cell, then going to the border. We need the 4-headed arrow as you've got there. Once you have that position, you can click and hold on. You'll notice that the cursor changes to an arrow then, and then you can move that cell to somewhere else. So that's drag and drop. So you're looking for a 4-headed arrow, then click and hold on, then move, then let go. You can do that with areas as well as a single cell. So I could take Sally, move her up to there. I could take the 43, move it up to there. Then I could highlight all 3 of those. I'll get a 4-headed arrow. I can then grab and move all 3 of them together. So that's drag and drop for a single cell or an area of cells. Now, drag and drop as it stands is effectively the same as cut and paste because it's moving the contents to somewhere else. If you wanted to copy the cell content, and we effectively do the same thing, we select the cell, go to the edge, click and hold on, then hold down the control key, and you'll notice a little plus has appeared next to my arrow. When I now move, as long as I let go of the mouse first, the cell is copied. So I can copy using drag and drop. Again, it's not restricted to single cells. I could do that with multiple cells. So let's bring those 3 over here. Then select all 4 of them. Go to the edge, click and hold on. Hold down the control key because I would like to copy. Move across to the right somewhere, let go of the mouse first. And that way I create a copy of the cells. So these stay where they are. The new ones appear here. I need to widen slightly. Now I can drag anywhere within the sheet, even if I can't see it, because if I drag to the right, for example, you'll see the columns just scroll across. If I drag down, you'll see the rows just go up, up, up. So I can drag anywhere I like within my sheet. If you hold the Alt key down, you can actually drag to another sheet. Then I can come where I like and let go. So let's take this eggplant, grab it, drag it and drop it where I like in this sheet, hold down the Alt key, and I can drag it to another tab and then across and let go. Drag and drop within the same sheet or within different sheets within the same workbook. I can drag and drop to move cells, whether that's multiple cells or single cells, or I can hold down the control key. I can actually copy the contents of a cell, one location to another, using the drag and drop option.